Hello viewers, you are welcome to this channel. In this channel, we shall understand various components of motor vehicles, motorcycles, different types of vehicles that we drive. Vehicle, as you can see them, they have a lot of components in them that comes together to keep the vehicle or to move the vehicle in motion. One of the components is windshield, that is the wiper. The wiper on the vehicle, as you see, it is very, very important. It is very, very important on the vehicle for the purpose of visibility. Some people do not intend, or some people do not keep their wiper in good shape. They try to manage it. And if there is a heavy downpour, you find it difficult to move in the rain or in a dusty environment. So wiper, as part of the vehicle company or component, is very, very essential. Vehicle wipers maintain visibility. Vehicle wipers, commonly known as windshields, wipers are essential components of automobile designed to improve visibility during adverse weather conditions. Here is a detailed explanation of vehicle wipers. 1. Purpose. The purpose of the vehicle wipers. Vehicle wipers primarily serve the purpose of clearing the windshield of rain, snow, debris, and dust. 2. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal wiper performance. Clean the wiper blade regularly to remove dirt and debris. 3. Wiper control. In most vehicles, you cannot control the wiper through a stalk on the steering column. They are typically setting for various wiper speeds. Intermittent wiper and a washer function to spray windshield washers fluid for cleaning. Some of the wipers that you see, some are automatic, some are manual, in the sense that once it starts raining, the wiper will start its work without you pressing any button. And if the rain is heavy, it will be fast. You see it, the speeds will increase, and when the rain is low, it will slow down. And it depends the way you want it to work. Those manual ones, the one how you want it to work, that is how you can set it. 4. Safety. Properly functioning wipers are critical for driving safety. Clear visibility is essential to avoid accidents, especially in rain, snow, dusty environment. 5. Legal requirement. No wipers lead to fine, penalties. Technological advancement. Rain sensing. Rain sensing, that is, some of the wipers, the modern one, can sense that there is a rain. It will start its works without you owning it. In summary, vehicle wipers are a vital safety features that helps drivers maintain clear visibility in challenging weather conditions. Maintenance and choosing the right wiper blade for your vehicles are key to ensuring they work effectively. You must make sure your wipers is effectively working, because there might be rain anytime, any moment, and if it is not functioning, definitely you will have a problem of visibility. You might decide to park somewhere if the windshield or your wiper is not effectively working. Therefore, share to others, like and comment. Any question, you post it to my email for further clarification. Thank you and remain safe.